In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email address in Moodle. It's an easy update, and I'll guide you through every step of the process, ensuring you have a smooth experience updating your contact details on this widely used educational platform. To start, you'll need to navigate to your profile. To do this, locate your profile picture or your name, which is typically found in the upper right corner of the Moodle interface. Once you find it, click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select the option labeled Profile. This will take you to your personal information page where you can view and edit various details about your account. After you've accessed your profile, it's time to head to your account settings. Look for an option that says either Preferences or Edit Profile. Both of these are generally found within the same menu you access to reach your profile. Clicking on one of these will direct you to a page where you have control over your account's various settings, allowing changes to be made. Now focus on changing your email address. Within your account settings, locate the field specifically labeled Email Address. Here, you'll want to delete your current email address. Take your time to carefully enter your new email address. It's important to double check for any typos or errors, as an incorrect email could lead to issues with future communications or verifications needed. Once you've successfully entered your new email address, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Here, you should see a button that says either Update Profile or Save Changes. Clicking this button is crucial as it will save the new email address you've entered and ensure it's now linked to your Moodle account. Make sure that everything appears correct before hitting this button. Finally, to complete this process, you need to confirm your new email address. Moodle typically sends out a confirmation email to verify that the address belongs to you, so check the inbox of your new email for a message from Moodle. This email should contain instructions or a link to confirm the address change. Follow the directions provided to complete the verification process. Once your new email address is confirmed, it will be fully updated on the Moodle platform. And there you have it, a simple but thorough guide on how to change your email address in Moodle. With these steps, you can keep your contact information up to date, ensuring you receive all Moodle notifications and communications in the future without any disruption. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials.